This is Aria making bagels. By the way, she already toasted it. Now she's putting on this. And anyway,
I toasted it at 3.
And by the way,
It was in a toaster.
And this is how we make bagels. We first toast it, then we put some of this on it.
And then,
we don't know what this is called. By the way, all you need is this to do
And
it.
so, when it's dirty and I'm done, I put in sink.
Like that. This is just a short video to show you how you make bagels.
But by the way, after you toast it and you don't know what else to do, you can eat it.
Yeah, that's what we
But
have
you
to
also have to put this stuff away.
do. Yeah. After you put the
Oh,
stuff
and
away, you eat it like...
But see, this is my toast, so that's why she be tended. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, want to know how to put the lid on? Okay. That's how you. Bye.